Shri Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna. So today it is great honor to speak about our Rasik Krishna Prabhu. He is like one of the Mahajans of JJ Medical College, one of the most wonderful devotees which we have seen in our preaching in JJ, in Grant Medical College. He is like Pitamaha, one of the such wonderful persons. Everybody looks forward to have his association. Such a wonderful devotee. So it is very, very interesting to see such a blend of a Shastric person, very scholar, at the same time very surrendered, very humble. And as Kunti Maharani says, Janma Aishwarya Shuta Shri Bhiredamana Madakuman. A person who has high knowledge, scholarship, wealth, beauty, it is natural to become proud. But Anirudh Prabhu, Rasik Krishna Prabhu, he has imbibed the essence of Krishna consciousness. Pranadapi Sunichena, such humble. I think he's the only one who has done his undergraduation, post-graduation and super specialization from JJ Medical College. I remember when he gave his exam for super specialization, he was selected first for Sion Medical College, but by the inconceivable will of the Lord, he was again transferred, came to JJ Medical College. And I have never seen such consistency and steadiness in the practice of Krishna consciousness in a medical student. So very wonderful devotee. Almost every day he was there, he is there in temple for morning program, and after now all the exams are over, now I'm seeing him almost every week, through 2-3 days in a week, doing services in temple. Such a wonderful example. He has actually imbibed the mood of Krishna consciousness. All the 5 limbs, Sadhu Sangha, Nam Kirtan, Bhagavad Shravan, Mathuravas and Sri Murtira Shraddhaya Seva. Actually, I am seeing him doing all these things. Such a wonderful devotee. Many times he would ask me questions and I would feel he is more serious and sincere to advance, more eager to advance than me. And it makes me so very inspired. So that is a wonderful nature of this devotee Rasik Krishna Prabhu. Such an amazing personality to be with. You never feel, awkward when you are with him. It is like a very loving, friendly relationship he has with everyone. No one fears to go and approach and ask him, whoever he may be, even a first year devotee or a final year devotee. That's how he is approachable. Such a wonderful source of inspiration for everyone.
Hare Krishna, Dandavat Pranam. Regarding Aniruddha Prabhuji, I have seen him from the time he was a final MBBS student, and I have seen his both journeys, the journey of Krishna consciousness, how he has evolved, and also his journey from final MBBS to a cardiologist. So I remember him as a very sincere student in his final MBBS years, and then he was allotted Vidyanagar Madam's unit as her PG student. So at that time I have a memory, Madam was very anxious that since he is a Hare Krishna devotee, she was saying I will change him now because I don't know whether he'll work, he'll only do japa, so he'll not work in the ward. So that time I told her no, that he's a very sincere student and she should not do this mistake of changing him. And then of course she never had any complaints. In fact, he was so sincere that she should always be praising him for his work. So he really worked very hard in his MD years, and he was excellent physician. And of course then as a cardiologist, now he is really a very sincere and nice cardiologist. Whenever we have to do some 2D echoes or any cardiology opinion, we always look up to him. So I am really proud of him as my student. And regarding his Krishna consciousness, like there are no words to express. He's a silent person, so immediately his devotion, the person externally, his devotional depth cannot be assessed, but I have known him, I have seen his journey. I was there for his initiation function when he was given initiation at GEV, and I know that he is a very, very deeply Krishna conscious person, and I am wishing him all the best for his future career. We are going to miss him here, his association, and I am very grateful to him always, because regarding his Krishna consciousness, I have learnt many things from him. Thank you so much.
Hare Krishna, Rashid Krishna Prabhuji. It is an immense pleasure for me to speak about such a calm, consistent, dedicated, obedient, successful, and so many amazing quality that Aniruddha Prabhuji carries with himself. For me, it was a wonderful learning under your guidance, and along with Krishna consciousness, your association was of great value for me. The best thing about Prabhuji is that how well Prabhuji has been doing his 16 round of chanting continuously since his undergraduate days, and continuing the same, along with equally balancing his academic and professional life, setting a great example that how important is it to keep Krishna in the center of the life. I want to thank you, Prabhuji, for always supporting me and helping me in my personal, professional and academic life. My heartfelt prayer to the lotus feet of Shri Shri Radha Gopinath Ji to shower her choicest blessings upon you. Hare Krishna Prabhuji, keep growing and stay blessed.
His guest Rashid Krishna Prabhuji is the perfect role model for each and every one of us. So Prabhuji's example, we can learn how to balance both our spirituality and our academic life. In spite of so much success, Prabhuji is still very humble and very down to the earth. I personally am very fortunate to be in association with Prabhuji starting from the first year. Whenever I face any problems, maybe that academic problem, maybe any spiritual guidance, maybe any help, I can easily approach to Prabhuji, and Prabhuji very beautifully explains and tells how to solve the problem. And so I'll be missing the association of Prabhuji very much. Prabhuji has rendered a lot of services towards our base, so especially we'll be missing Prabhuji in 112, 113. Whenever Prabhuji comes to 112 or 113, Prabhuji used to give some lectures, tell some pastimes, participate in the kirtans, and more importantly, Prabhuji guide each and every one of us in the base. So that will be missing Prabhuji a lot. So lastly, I'll pray and wish Prabhuji a very successful journey ahead, and we all will miss Prabhuji a lot. So His Grace Shri Krishna Prabhuji ki jai.
हरे कृष्णा, दंडवत प्रणाम प्रभु जी। प्रभु जी, आज आपका फेयरवेल है। इतने सालों तक आपने हमें जो एसोसिएशन दिया, आपने जो भी गाइडेंस किया बेस पे, हम सबको इंडिविजुअली गाइडेंस किया सबको, जिस तरह से आपने पूरे बेस को संभाला है वो बहुत ही अतुलनीय है। एंड हम दोनों आपको मन से धन्यवाद देना चाहेंगे इस बात के लिए। और हम दोनों मिलके ये आपको रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं, आपसे प्रार्थना करते हैं कि आगे भी इसी तरह आपका एसोसिएशन हमें देते रहना, और हमें भी आपकी सर्विस करने का चांस देते रहो, है ना?
एग्जैक्टली, जयंत प्रभु ने जो कहा है वो 100% सही है। प्रभु जी, अगर आप नहीं होते तो हमें ये पता भी नहीं चलता कि स्पिरिचुअल लाइफ और मटेरियल लाइफ में कैसा बैलेंस किया जाए। आप मतलब एक मिसाल हो हमारे लिए, एक आदर्श आपने जो प्रस्तावित किया है इधर हमारे लाइफ में, वो सचमुच उसकी तुलना किसी से नहीं की जा सकती। और आप ऐसे ही हमें आपका जो एसोसिएशन है वो देते रहिएगा, और हमारे जो चाइल्डिश बिहेवियर्स है सब लोगों के, इतने बड़े हैं आप, तो संभालिएगा। एंड थैंक्स प्रभु जी फॉर एवरीथिंग। हरे कृष्णा। हरे कृष्णा।
Hare Krishna, Dandot Pranam to the Rashid Krishna Prabhuji. We all know that the Rashid Krishna Prabhuji is the ocean of the knowledge and the care. Prabhuji always helped me to grow in the Krishna consciousness. When the Prabhuji come with the association with us, Prabhuji always tell the past times. Prabhuji is the ideal for the me because the Prabhuji is well maintain his material life and also the spiritual life. Thank you the Prabhuji to give me the last 4-year association. Hare Krishna.
हरे कृष्णा। दंडवत प्रणाम प्रभु जी। सबसे पहले आपका कोटि कोटि धन्यवाद आपकी विभिन्न प्रकार की सेवाओं और आपके मार्गदर्शन के लिए। मुझे फर्स्ट ईयर से ही आपका मार्गदर्शन प्राप्त हुआ है, इसके लिए मैं आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करता हूँ। आपने विभिन्न प्रकार की ज़रूरतों में मुझे बहुत ही सहायता की। आपने विभिन्न प्रकार के विभिन्न कठिन समयों में मुझे मार्गदर्शन दिया, मेरा साहस बढ़ाया, चाहे वो कोरोना के समय में हो। इन सभी के लिए मैं आपका हृदय से धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूँ। मैं राधा गोपीनाथ जी से प्रार्थना करता हूँ कि आप ऐसे ही अपनी भक्ति और अपने कार्यों में प्रगति करते रहे। यदि मुझसे कोई अपराध हो गया है तो इसलिए मैं आपसे क्षमा मांगता हूँ।
प्रभु जी, it was one of our fortune and very pleasurable experience with such a great senior devotee and academic scholar and his association which we got in our 2.5 years of Krishna consciousness in JJ.
Having prasadam with such a great devotee and scholar and listening to your lectures and kirtan was one of our most fortunate and pleasurable experiences.
So Prabhuji, as a junior devotee, we just seek your priceless blessings so that we may progress academically as well as spiritually. May Lord Shri Krishna and Srimati Radharani bestow their choicest mercy upon you. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Dandavat pranam to His Grace Rasi Krishna Prabhuji. Gauridas Prabhuji always says in his lectures that when you hear the glories of the person next to you, you become fainted. And this also happens to me when I was taking breakfast in my first year. One devotee introduced Rasi Krishna Prabhuji that Prabhuji got his MBBS admission in his first attempt. He got MD in his first attempt in JJ. Also, he's got DM cardio in first attempt in JJ. And he simply taking breakfast with me, sitting next to me. I become amazed that Prabhuji was so humble. Prabhuji are with so many achievements, but sitting with me, Prabhuji always down to earth. प्रभुजी जो स्टॉप कर जब प्रभु जी हमें छोड़ के जाएंगे तो हम प्रभु जी को सब मिस करेंगे कि प्रभु जी के साथ प्रभु जी का कीर्तन, प्रभु जी जो करताल के बीट्स बजाते हैं वो सब मिस करेंगे। मैं प्रभु जी के साथ सुबह जपा सेशन के लिए जाता था टेंपल में, वो सब हम मिस करेंगे। और प्रभु जी हर रोज़ हमारे साथ ब्रेकफास्ट लेते थे। ब्रेकफास्ट लेते समय वो हमें पास टाइम बताते थे, उससे हमें इंस्पिरेशन मिलता था कि हम भी जाके स्क्रिप्चर्स पढ़े, हमारे जूनियर्स को भी बताए। और जब भी बेस में कोई प्रॉब्लम हो, अगर प्रसादम का कोई इशू हो तो हम सीधा प्रभु जी के पास जाते थे कि प्रभु जी ऐसे ऐसे हुआ है हमारे साथ। तो प्रभु जी हमें बता देगी हमारे पास क्या क्या सोल्यूशन अवेलेबल है। तो प्रभु जी बता देगी हमने ये सोल्यूशन चॉइस किया तो उसके प्रोज क्या होंगे, उसके कॉन्स क्या होंगे। तो सब ऐसे स्किलफुली सब सॉल्व कर देते थे।
बोलो बोलो ओ तू ही माता, तू ही पिता, तू ही माता, तू ही पिता, तुम हो तो
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Dandvat Pranam. I feel so lucky and fortunate that I got your association during my UG days. There are certain things which I admire a lot about Prabhuji. Prabhuji, although being a DM cardiologist from JJ Hospital, he is so humble, kind, caring, and the simplicity with which he lives. Prabhuji's habits of regularly attending Mangal Aartis, reading scriptures, attending lectures, taking notes, and sharing it with all the devotees in 112 and 113. Also, Prabhuji, professionally being so busy, he is always worried about all the ongoing problems in the base, be it prasadam problems or any seva problems, and solve them ASAP. The amount of contribution and seva he does during Janmashtami, which is mostly unseen and backstage. Thank you, Prabhuji. Thank you so much for your valuable association to all the devotees in the JJ base. I wish and pray for all your future endeavors in spiritual life as well as your material life. Thank you.
Hare Krishna, Dandvat Pranam to His Grace Rasik Krishna Prabhuji. First of all, I will like to thank you for being the most gentle, kind-hearted, understanding, encouraging and inspiring devotee who has taught us to balance both our studies and spiritual activities. It gives me great joy to share just how fortunate we are to have met such caring, loving, friendly and humble devotee like you. I truly appreciate the time you spent with us. I wish you good luck, sound health, unending success and all the best for your future. May Srimati Radharani and Lord Shri Krishna bestows their choicest mercy upon you.
Dandvat Pranam Rasik Krishna Prabhuji. Thank you so much for your selfless service to the JJ base. You are always a role model for me. जब मैं बेस में आया था शुरू से जब से आपसे मुलाकात हुई पहले तो मुझे पता नहीं था कि मतलब आप MBBS और AMD करके वो मेरे साइड में ही बैठे थे. तब जब मुझे योगेश्वर प्रभु जी ने बताया कि आप भी MD हो तो मैं चौंक गया कि इतना सिंपल, इतने सादे, इतने हम्बल और सभी सर्विसेज आप कर रहे थे. असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर थे तब. जो भी है बेस की सारी सेवा में आप इन्वॉल्व रहते हैं. कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम आया सब जूनियर्स के लिए तो आप उनको अप्रोच करते हो. आप अपनी तरफ से जो भी मदद है वो सब आप करते हो. तो इतना बिजी शेड्यूल होने के बाद भी आप टेंपल में मंगल आरती अटेंड करने के लिए जाते हो. सब भागवतम लेक्चर्स, स्क्रिप्चर रीडिंग, बाकी सब भी जो लेक्चर है आप अभी आप प्रीचिंग में भी इन्वॉल्व हो. तो मतलब हर तरीके से हर एस्पेक्ट में आप एक सबके लिए एक प्रेरणा स्रोत हो. और थैंक यू सो मच फॉर प्रेजेंट इन माय लाइफ एंड ऑलवेज गाइडिंग मी. I pray to the Shri Shri Radha Gopinath ji for your spiritual and material life growth. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. His Grace Rashik Krishna Prabhuji ki jai. I would like to recite a verse for him. Sama shatrocha mitrecha tatha manapa manayo shitoshna sukha dukkheshu samasanga vivarjita. One who is equal to friends and enemies, who is equipoised in honor and dishonor, heat or cold, happiness and distress, fame and infamy, who is always free from contamination, always silent and satisfied with anything, who doesn't care for any residence, who is fixed in knowledge and engaged in devotional service. This verse reminds me only and only of His Grace Rasik Krishna Prabhuji. He is always engaged in Krishna consciousness and keeping Krishna in the center of his life. This is very inspiring. Thank you so much, Prabhuji, for always guiding us and taking care of us. Hare Krishna.
So today is a day where we have assembled to give a farewell. Actually, it is a moment of joy and sorrow both. Joy because now he is going after learning all the wonderful things in Krishna consciousness, the skills, material skills as well as the spiritual skills, the qualities. Now he is ready to share this to everyone, to bring everyone close to Krishna. And it is a moment of sorrow because we'll not be getting his association so frequently. But this day has to come in everyone's life. So it is very happy moment. So on this day I would like to ask forgiveness for all the chastisement and offenses I may have done. And I pray that in the future journey, he may grow more and more in the material life as well as the spiritual life. He may become a wonderful asset in the mission of Srila Prabhupada. He may preach this message and take care of his material life, become a big person, and use everything in service of Krishna. So that is our prayer. So thank you, Rasik Krishna Prabhu, for a wonderful association for all these years. We are very grateful to you for all the services which you have rendered, right from the washing pots and doing collection while Janmashtami. Everything he has done. So we are very grateful to Rasik Krishna Prabhu for that. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. So the beautiful melodies of Kartal won't be heard anymore in 112, and the kirtans that we used to sing in 112 would now be incomplete. Now there would be no one who will take me to Mangal Aarti every morning by calling me, and there would be no one whose fridge, AC and scooty I can use without any restrictions. Thank you, Prabhuji, for each and every aspect you did for me, and thank you for being a role model for each and every one of us. Wish a very, very, very pleasant journey ahead for you. Thank you, Prabhu. Hare Krishna.
Thank you. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Prabhuji. Thank you so much. His Grace Rasik Krishna Prabhuji ki Jai Ho.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna.
धन्यवाद. हरे कृष्णा.
Rasik Krishna Prabhu ki Jai.